traders, Captain Safa here from Algo Tradingo. In this video, we want to specify one of the ways that you can understand that your brokerage is True ECN or not. Actually, in the liquidity providers, in the real market, there is no way to open the position and specify the stop loss and take profit simultaneously. So you have to enter to the trade, and at least at next tick you can specify take profit and stop loss for your position. So if your brokerage accept to specify and open the trade with the stop loss and take profit specification at one moment simultaneously, you can consider that brokerage at least STP or maybe market maker. But if the brokerage is True ECN, you are from the legal point of view, there's no way to let you start in the position and simultaneously specify the stop loss and take profit. Actually, you have to enter to the trade, and at least one tick later you can specify take profit or stop loss for yourself. Even if you use robots, you have to consider that in your programming, so the robots can't enter to the trade and specify a stop loss and take profit at that moment. It will not work that way, and your position will not be open. In this kind of brokerage, you have to consider these items even in your MQL4 or MQL5 programming language. So this is the way that you can check your brokerage that claim that it's a True ECN or not. You can check that with this feature.